Have you ever tried to install a package only to find that it removes a bunch of others? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into why installing one NPM package can lead to the removal of many others. I totally get it. You're not alone in facing this issue. Many developers have experienced the headache of NPM removing packages unexpectedly. It can feel like your whole project is falling apart, and that's a common concern. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does installing one NPM package remove many others?" They shared that while installing the package, it removed 638 other packages. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this? This issue often arises due to dependency conflicts. When a new package is installed, it may require specific versions of other packages that are incompatible with what you already have. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your NPM packages more effectively. To understand why installing one package removes many others, the user should first check the package dependencies. Each NPM package has its own dependencies, and sometimes these can conflict with existing packages. Next, the user should examine the NPM version they are using. Different versions of NPM handle dependencies differently, and updating NPM can sometimes resolve these issues. The user should also consider using the npm audit command. This command checks for vulnerabilities and can provide insights into dependency issues that may be causing the removals. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they can try deleting the node modules folder and the package lock.json file. This will allow them to start fresh with their dependencies. Fun fact, did you know that NPM is the largest package registry in the world? With millions of packages, it's no wonder things can get a bit tangled sometimes. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that the issue might be related to the version of NPM you're using. They recommend downgrading from NPM version 5 to version 4 to see if that resolves the problem. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One user experiencing this issue with NPM version 5.8.0 suggests a workaround. They recommend right-clicking on the dependencies NPM node in Visual Studio 2017 and selecting Restore Packages. This process may take some time and won't restore all packages, but it helps recover most of them. After restoring, they advise right-clicking on the dependency/npm/net webpack node and selecting Update Package. This action will help restore the missing packages. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly audit your dependencies using npm audit. This will help you catch potential issues before they become major headaches. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of why installing one NPM package can remove others. Remember, keeping your dependencies in check is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on managing NPM packages effectively.